Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Shopify in Australia in 2025. As an Australian business owner, you can leverage Shopify's e-commerce platform to create a successful online store. First, sign up for a Shopify account by visiting the Shopify website and clicking on the Get Started button. Fill out the registration form with your business and personal details, and choose a plan that suits your needs. Shopify offers a 14-day free trial, allowing you to test the platform before committing to a paid plan. Next, set up your online store by adding a domain name, customizing your store's theme, and adding products. You can purchase a domain name directly from Shopify or use an existing one. Choose a theme that reflects your brand and customize it to suit your needs. Add high-quality product images and detailed product descriptions to showcase your products. To accept payments, you need to set up a payment gateway. Shopify supports various payment gateways, including PayPal, credit cards, and bank transfers. You can also use Shopify Payments, which allows you to accept credit card payments without the need for a third-party payment gateway. In terms of shipping, you can set up shipping rates and options based on your business needs. You can use Shopify's built-in shipping features or integrate with third-party shipping providers, such as Australia Post or StarTrack. To manage your orders and inventory, use Shopify's order management system. You can view and fulfill orders, manage inventory levels, and track shipping status. You can also use Shopify's inventory management features to track stock levels and receive low stock alerts. Finally, optimize your store for search engines by using keywords, meta tags, and optimizing product images. You can also use Shopify's built-in analytics and reporting tools to track your store's performance and make data-driven decisions. By following these steps, you can create a successful online store using Shopify in Australia. Remember to stay up to date with the latest e-commerce trends and best practices to stay ahead of the competition.